Hello and welcome to Moorish Cuisine, my desi kitchen with the Western touch. Today I'm sharing the recipe of chicken pulao. Chicken cooked in desi spices and then rice cooked in that seasoned broth. For this aromatic rice chicken dish, we have to split the recipe in few steps. So let's go and see what we are doing in step 1. So step 1 is making a broth. For broth, I'm using these spices and just adding with the chicken. I have 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, sabut dhaniya, a tablespoon of fennel seeds, saunf, ginger and garlic paste. I use minced garlic, a tablespoon of each, zeera and a kala zeera means cumin and black cumin, 1 onion, and then I'm using some whole spices. So I have a little piece of star anise seed, badiyan ka phool. Then I have black cardamon, a few 7-8 peppercorns, 5-6 cloves, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 small cardamon, and a little piece of nutmeg. Now take all these spices, transfer them into the cooking pot with the chicken and some water. Usually I take water which I need for my rice plus a cup extra so chicken can cook easily, and then just cover the pot. Cook it for 15 to 25 minutes until the chicken gets tender. And yeah, now that's it. We're gonna go, when it's done, we just strain it, and then we're gonna go towards step 2. So now for step 2, the combining part, we have washed and soaked rice, sliced onion, ginger garlic, cumin, the strained broth, chopped tomatoes, and then cooked chicken. So to start with, just heat up I'll say 1/4 cup of oil, and then add a very small to medium size and sliced onion, and then start frying it. Now I'll just fry until they just get a little soft, translucent, and that's it. You can cook more to get that brownish color which usually you get in the pulao, but I don't cook that much. I just cook until they just start to change the color. So when it gets that color, I just add cumin seeds, like around a teaspoon. Just mix a little, and immediately I add chopped tomatoes. Now it's up to you. I use around 2 medium size, but how much you like. My husband loves tomatoes, so yeah, I use little more than required. So just mix around and cook until the tomatoes get soft and cooked. I'll say when they are like around half done, I add ginger and garlic. I always use minced garlic. So just add that, mix and cook until you see the soft gravy kind. I'll say like around 3 to 4 minutes, maybe maximum 5 minutes. So when the tomatoes are done, just add your chicken pieces, put on top of the tomato mixture. Start stirring with a very light hand, because sometimes there's a chance that chicken will start to break. So just mix, cook for like a minute or 2, and then it's time to add the broth inside. So this is my broth. So for the rice, I usually use the ratio for rice and the water is 1:1.5. So for suppose I'm taking 3 cups of rice, so I will add 4.5 cup of water or a broth. So but less is better, so I just keep that 1.25 cup less than that, just to make sure. Then when I'll add the rice, I'll see. So now we have to cook it and wait until it gets 1 boil. So when you start to see the bubbles, means time to add the rice. Just add all the rice, the salt. I usually add the equivalent ratio for the salt. 3 cups of rice equal to 3 teaspoons. It's totally up to you, according to your taste buds. Just cover and cook on a high flame until you start seeing these bubbles. It means your rice are ready to go for dum. which means you have to cook them on a very low flame. I prefer to put it on the griddle. So just warm up the griddle, mix it, check the salt, cover it, put 1 or 2 green chilies on top, put it on dum for 10 to 15 minutes, and done. So here is my chicken yakhni pulao. It's done, alhamdulillah, and aroma can make you feel hungry again. Serve it with any yogurt dip. I'm serving it with raita, which has chopped tomatoes, onions, and cucumbers. Serve it with your favorite salad, chutney, dip, anything. If you like my recipe, just leave me a message. If you have any questions, I'll try to help you out. I hope you like my recipe. See you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe from my channel, like me on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram.